at the beginning I was like, oh my gosh, this is going to be a very difficult thing to do, and now that we've been doing this for a long time, it's getting really fun and easy. Nobody really knew what they were doing, but then once we started to work together, we started to make more of like a good beat and everything, and I think our coach is doing really good. We're doing really good because we're all trying our best, and it looks like everybody's having a lot of fun.
Well, actually, we've been applying a lot of the things we learn in percussion to our daily time, listening to each other, and especially in choral reading, we've been better able to hear each other and be performing at the same time and working more as a group.
The hardest part is like trying to work together as a group and try to fit it all in. It's been a really fun time learning the music here, and I think that we've all had an interesting time learning this piece. At the start, it was pretty confusing and hard, but I just want to say again, practice makes progress.
I am really impressed with our class and how much progress they have made and how much commitment they have to the new instruments and the teamwork and the collaboration that they're showing, and how they are really supporting each other and building each other up every day with reflection and feedback and dedication.
Well, firstly, I love percussion because I did last year, and also I love to make music, and last year I just felt like this is really I just love it.
Yeah, we've been here like every time since 3rd grade. We love it.
I think percussion club is a very fun thing because you get to like feel beats. With recess you can have fun, but and you can do that every day, but with percussion it's like once a week.
Yeah, it's special.
And it's kind of special, and it's just a great community to be in, and it's really fun.
My reason for coming here, I like the teacher. I like performing in front of everyone. I've never had stage fright.
I like how whenever we get all the melodies together, and when we do it all together, it sounds so beautiful, and I really like it.
I think being one of the students and realizing how hard it is to both follow the conductor and remember my part is really interesting. It's hard, but at the same time, it's exciting to be part of the mix with the kids, and I love it.
I think that the parents are gonna love it because we tried really, really hard on this to perfect this.
It's so much fun to see where they start and where they end, and the pride that they take in their performance and the skills that they're learning in this program. I think music is always important in a student's education because it teaches them how to think in different ways, how to pause, how to hear what's going on around them and really listen to one another and realize that they are part of a larger community.
What I liked about this is that I kind of got to socialize with other people in my group.
It was like an experience of mistakes too, but I like that because we learned from our mistakes.
I just like drumming in general, that's why I like this.
My experience was amazing. I loved being the substitute because I got to play a few different instruments, and I got to rely on the kids. I had to ask them because I was playing different instruments different weeks. Can you help me? I'm going to listen to you, and they were spot on.
goes on, the beat goes on. Drums keep pounding a rhythm to the brain. La-di-da-di-dee, la-di-da-di-da. And the beat goes on. Yes, the beat goes on. And the beat goes on.